0, edges by angle, check that on, leave everything else normal, and then you hit apply. I'm gonna pause the video. Again, you'll notice this, right? You just ignore it. I'm gonna pause the video again. Alright, so I restarted the video and I retopologized everything. This one, this one, this one. As you can see, it works out fairly nicely, and you'll see this, right? But it's only up close, and what you're going to end up doing anyway is pressing 3 to smooth it out. Press 3, press 3. When you press 3, it does smooth it nicer, but like I said, it's temporary, meaning that you could always press 1. But when you press 3 and then you hit render, it will render out smoothly, as you guys probably know by now. So it looks good. Now after you do that, there's still history for each letter. Inputs, retopology. See, all that data is still here. Retopology. Retopology, see 10,000, 10, 0, 0, 0, 0, remember, a 30-degree angle, all that stuff. This needs to be wiped out. If this is not wiped out, I guarantee you it will wreck your project. Like I said before, it will wreck your project, and there's nothing I can do. You will end up getting a super low grade. There's literally nothing I can do, because it will destroy your animation, and that's all I can say. The reason why I sound so serious about it is because several students had this happen, even though I warned them, and you know, it sucks. It sucks to have to be the bearer of bad news. It just sucks. Anyway, so what do? You grab all of it, edit, delete by type, history, gone. Then each letter type in, I don't know, like I like to do like underscore A underscore, underscore B underscore, double click, underscore C underscore, so you get everything organized. So from there, go into your front, and you want to grab all of it, and modify, center pivot. Center pivot, center pivot, they're all centered. Then, from there, right, you want to press D for, I want to first hide these. Press H, grab that. So from here, I'm not going to move it over here. There's no point right now. I'm just going to press D as in David, get the move pivot. Grab it by the handle, chuck it down here, press nice and snug, press W, spacebar, top view, press F, nice and centered, right? This front view, I want to center it here, so press Alt and B as in Bob. So you can see like this or that. Alt and B as in Bob. I'm going to press and hold X as an X-ray. I'm going to grab the handle, or even here, and I'm going to just chuck it. Spacebar, top view, press F. Press and hold X as an X-ray. I can grab it from here, X as an X-ray, and it'll snap directly. See? Bam, there you go. Perfect. See, this is exactly what you want. Then you want to freeze transforms again, because there's data. Because if you go and press 0, goes way over here. Like it thinks this is its origin, but it's not. Put it here. And then you go modify, freeze transform. Grab the C, click here, double click, and I'm gonna just type on like, I don't know, C underscore mesh, something like that. Save. Then hide it. I mean, I could give a color if I want. I don't know, something like that. Then I'm going to turn on B as in Bob, press H. Same process, front view, right? It's already centered pivot. I'm going to press D as in David once. I'm going to manually drop it down, eyeball it right around here. Press W. Press X and hold X. I can grab from down here, chuck it over here. Spacebar, spacebar. Top view. Press X. From the top view, hold X, grab, snap. There you go. But now I need to zero this out. Modify. Freeze. Grab the letter B, click here, double click, I'll write down B underscore mesh, give it a color, save, hide it. Control, hold control, click it so I don't have anything selected. I'm gonna open A, press H, then press D as in David once, drop it, press W. Press and hold X, snap and move, spacebar, spacebar, look at the top view, press and hold X, snap. Modify, freeze transform, boom. Click that, double click, A underscore mesh, give it a color. Alright, so that was, geez, 27 minutes, man. So that's how you prep it. That's how you prep it, right? A, B, C. Right? Again, double check everything's down here, right? Top view, centered, right? Centered. Front view, centered. Everything's blown out, frozen. History is deleted. Now it's ready. B, same thing with B. Front view is centered. Top view is centered. Transformations are frozen out. History is also deleted. C, same thing. Dead centered from the front. Dead centered from the top. Right? Transformations are frozen, blown out. History, there's no history. This means that under inputs, that it has a display layer assigned to it. That's what this means. That's it. So that's how you pretty much prep your stuff. Yeah, and from there you go do your process of everything else, right? And I'm gonna put this on the my YouTube channel because Sync Sketch doesn't have closed caption, and you need closed caption for rigging. You cannot just copy and follow. You need to like see what it's being spoken. Alright, so I think next tutorial I'm gonna make on how to animate it, right? I showed a demo about I mean, I showed the animation of the letter R doing a nice, fun, hopping, jumping, high jump up in the air, vertical. So I think maybe I'll do one or two animations on how to animate with the letters, how to manipulate the animation controllers. Yeah. All right, that's it. Bye.